The Power of Kindness, Emma's story. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we share an inspiring story of transformation and kindness. Get ready to be inspired and motivated to spread kindness. So let's start. Emma, a shy college student, struggled to fit in. She felt lost and uncertain. One day, Emma met Rachel, a friendly upper class man. Rachel introduced Emma to volunteer work at local soup kitchen. Emma's eyes were open to the struggles of others. She started small acts of kindness on campus, holding doors, smiling at strangers. As Emma's kindness grew, so did her confidence. She inspired others to join her movement. Despite criticism, Emma persevered. Campus transformed, students became supportive and friendly. Emma reflected on her journey from lost to found. Rachel's wisdom echoed, kindness is contagious, spread it. Emma's message resonated, small acts can change lives. Thanks for joining me on Emma's journey. Remember, kindness is a contagious, spread it. Subscribe for more inspiring stories and let's make a difference together.